In this video, that is part 4 of Class 10 Mathematics, first chapter Real Numbers, we are going to learn what is Euclid's division lemma, do this and think and discuss in page number 3 of Class 10 Mathematics test book. Also subscribe to my channel No Need Teacher for more updates and videos on maths. The link is given in the description. And now, by the name only Euclid's division lemma, we can see that this is somehow connected with the division. So first we learn the fundamentals of a division and then we learn the definition and solve some problems of do this and think and discuss in page number 3. Let us take an example 18 by 6. When we divide 18 by 6, first we write 18, 6 and 6 threes are, we all know 6 threes are 18. So we write 3 here and 18. And 18 minus 18 is 0. So we write here 0. And now what is 6 in this division is called? The 6 in this division is called the divisor. As it divides the 18, it is called the divisor and it is denoted by B. B. B means divisor. These are very important and we need to remember them for clearly understanding what is Euclid's division lemma. So please note, B means divisor. And what is 18 in this division is called? It is called the dividend. It is being divided by the 6. So it is called the dividend and it is denoted by A. A means dividend. And what is 3 in this division is called? We all know that 3 is called the quotient and it is denoted by Q. So Q means quotient. And what is 0 here called? The 0 is called the remainder and it is remainder. It is called the remainder and it is denoted by R. So we can say R means remainder. R means remainder. And now we learn the definition of Euclid's division lemma. The definition of Euclid's division lemma is, for given positive integers a and b, there exists a unique pair of integers q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r and 0 is less than or equal to or less than b. We write the definition of the Euclid's division lemma. Given positive integers, given positive integers a and b, there exists a unique pair of integers q and r satisfying the condition. Here we have an equation, that is a is equal to b into q plus r, and there is another rule for the remainder, that is 0 is less than or equal to r and r is always less than b. First we check this condition, is it work for this division? So these Euclid's division lemma works for all the divisions. And when you first see that they gave that given positive integers a and b, which shows that a and b are always positive integers. Integers means the combination of positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. But they have given that only positive integers means a and b can only be positive numbers. So for positive numbers a and b, there exists a unique pair of integers q and r, and also the q and r are also the integers, and these a, b, q and r satisfies the condition, that is a is equal to b into q plus r. When we divide these numbers, that is what are the numbers that are being divided? When we take the integers a and b, here we can say that it is a and it is b. It is written in the form of 18 by 6, which shows that 18 here is a and 6 here is b. So always a by b. the divisional form is always A by B. And they should satisfy the condition A is equal to B into Q plus R. And here we have divided a number A by B, that is 18 by 6. So first we test this condition. Is it applicable to this division? So first we write the Euclid's division lemma. A is equal to B into Q plus R. We know A. What is A? A is 18. And what is the value of B? The value of B here is 6. 6 into, what is the value of Q? The value of Q here is 3. So we write 6 into 3. And plus, what is the value of remainder? That is R, that is 0. So we write here 0. And here we write 18. And what is the value of 6 into 3? 6 3s are 18. So we write here always. Here also we write 18. And 18 plus 0 is nothing but 18. So here 18 is equal to 18. So it shows that it follows the Euclid's division lemma. So any division satisfies this condition, that is A is equal to B into Q plus R. And now there is a condition for the remainder, that is remainder is always greater than or equal to 0 and is always less than B. Less than B here means divisor. So the remainder is always less than the divisor and always greater than 0 or equal to 0. And here in this division it is equal to 0. Remainder here is equal to 0. And it always less than B. 0 is less than 6. So the remainder may be 0 or equal to 0 or greater than 0 but never less than 0. Less than 0 means a negative number. So the remainder cannot be a negative number and is always equal to 0 or greater than 0 and always less than. The remainder is always less than the divisor. It is a condition. And now what's the use of this Euclid's division lemma and when it is first recorded? The Euclid's division lemma is first recorded in book 7 of Euclid's Elements. And it is useful to find the HCF of two or more numbers. HCF means, the full form of HCF is highest common factor. And there is an Euclid's division algorithm which is based on this Euclid's division lemma. And now, first we learn what is the definition of Euclid's division lemma, and we have learned what is A, B, Q and all. And we have also tested a division and is applicable. The Euclid's division lemma here to this division is applicable. And we have learned the condition for the remainders and also the equation A is equal to B into Q plus R. And there is also another condition for this Euclid's division lemma, that is A is always greater than B. A is always greater than B. Here also we can see that A is 18 and B is 6. Here also A is greater than B. 18 is greater than 6. In the same way, always A is greater than B and we can divide them as A by B. And always we can divide A by B and A is always greater than B, because we cannot divide a small number by a big number. It will come into decimals. So we can say A is always greater than B. When it comes to this Euclid's division lemma equation, we can say A is greater than B and the divisional form is A by B. We always divide A by B.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment for more videos.